Good morning, everyone. Now I am going to announce the name of winners, those who have participated in different competitions that we held in our previous days. So first I am going to tell winners' name from KG section. And the first competition is drawing competition. So I am going to tell the winner's name, and the winner from KG first A, the first prize goes to Arjun Tripathi, and the second prize goes to Leeladhar Nayak. And from KG1 section B, the first prize goes to Rajvi Singh, and the second prize goes to Shalakha Choksi. And winners from KG2 section A are: the first prize goes to Sushant Dharve, and the second prize goes to Janvi. And from KG2 section B, the winners are: the first prize goes to Ananya Varman, and the second prize goes to Siddharth Jain. And the second competition that we held, that was handwriting competition, and the names of winner are: the first prize goes to, from KG1 section A, Arjun Tripathi, and the second prize goes to Vedant Sahu. And from KG1 section B, the first prize goes to Aliba Khan, and the second prize goes to Shalakha Choksi. And from class KG2 section A, the first prize goes to Pragya Mandi, and the second prize goes to Sushant. And from class KG2 section B, the first prize goes to Shraddha Jain, and second prize goes to Aradhya Bajpuri. And for our next competition was fancy dress competition, and the winners' name are: first prize goes to Ananya Nayak from KG1 section B, and second prize goes to Vedant Sahu. The next winner from KG1 section B is Shalakha Choksi. Now, winners' name from KG2 section A are: the first prize goes to Pragya Mandi, and the second prize goes to Vamika Shukla. From class KG2 section B, winners' name are: first prize goes to Arnav Tiwari, and the second prize goes to Noel Yadav. Now I am going to announce the name of winners, those who have participated in drawing competition. The name of winners are: from first class, first prize goes to Kanishka Chaudhary, and the second prize goes to Pranjal Marami. The third prize goes to Stuti Choksi. And the winners from class 4 section B are: the first prize goes to Sanvi Patel, the second prize goes to Siza Fatima, the third prize goes to Purna Dhurve. Now winners from class 2nd A. First prize goes to Saddam Fulwani, the second prize goes to Salim Yadav. The third prize goes to Prince Kushram. The winners from class 2nd section B are: the first prize goes to Parth Kuram, the second prize goes to Sarika Choksi, the third prize goes to Bhavya Desai. Now winners' name from class 3rd A. The first prize goes to Shivraj Wankheri. The second prize goes to Gaurav Pracharya. The third prize goes to Swastik Tekam. The winner's name from class 3rd B are: first prize goes to Yug Burman. The second prize goes to Ayushman Soni. The third prize goes to Rajveer Choksi. The winners name from class 4th section A are: the first prize goes to Arham Hassan Khan. The second prize goes to Molly Jen. The third prize goes to Ojas Verma. The winners name from class 4 section B are: the first prize goes to Sanskar Parasti. The second prize goes to Vedika Dikshit. The third prize goes to Prasmita Margo. Now winners name from class 5th section A are: the first prize goes to Pratibha Panjam. The second prize goes to Nidhi Singh Asaya. And the third prize goes to Athar Vishkarma. Here are two winners in rank 3rd. So the name of two winners are: first one is Athar Vishkarma and second is Swarit Grewal. Now I am announcing the name of winner from class 5 section B. The first prize goes to Sarthak Singh and the second prize goes to Chek Armo. Again in class 5 here are two winners in rank 3rd. So the first one is So Avadhya and second one is Janvi Parihar. Now I am going to announce the name of winners from class 6 section A. The first prize goes to Bhavesh Yere. The second prize goes to Satyam Parasti. The third prize goes to Divyanshi Yadav. Now winners name from class 6 section B are: the first prize, again here two students, those who got the position in first rank. The first name is Sahitya Suri and the second is Vanshika Singh. In position second, again here are two students. The first one is Arshita No and second is Sivang Dhurve. And for third position, Lavanya Purasti. Now winners from class 7th section A are: the first winner is Achyut Pandey. The second winner, Prakriti Dhurve. The third winner, Rameshwar Marami. And our winner from class 7 section B are: the first winner is Tanish Vishkarma. The second winner is Ritu Keshwani. And the third winner is Sonal Keshwani. Now the winners from class 8 section A are: the first prize goes to Ratnesh Singh Markam. The second prize goes to Prateek Uredi. The third prize goes to Palak Keshwani. And the winners from class 8 section B are: the first prize goes to Niyati Singh. The second prize goes to Anuja Avadhya. The third prize goes to Tanushri Tiwari. Now winners from class 9 section A are: the first one is Ayushi Shukla and the second winner is Mansi Gupta. The third winner is Mahi Jain. And the winners from class 9 section B are: the first winner is Nidhi Varman. The second winner is Shivanshu Shukla. And again in third rank there are two students. The first is Amol Rai and the second one is Harsh Mishra. And the winners from class 10 section A are: the first winner is Akshara and again one more student in rank first is Bhumika Jain. Now for second position, again here two students are here. The first is Shok Tiwari and the second is Dipali Tamrakar. And for third rank also here are two students. First is Astha Gupta and second is Yashi Jain. And in class 10th section B, winners are: the first prize goes to Hani Rajra and the second prize goes to Arpita Chakrabarti. goes to Sanskar Chokshi. Winners name from class 11 are: the first prize goes to Tanushka Mishra, and the second prize goes to Abhinav Gupta, and the third prize goes to Tejasvi Yadav. Winners name from class 12 are: the first winner is Princey Ekwa, and the second winner is Ash Vividi, and the third prize goes to Ashi Mishra. Now I am going to announce our next competition, which one was handwriting competition. So I am going to announce the students' name from class wise. The winners from class first A are: the first prize goes to Rudra Tripathi. The second prize goes to Priyanshi Barre. And the third prize goes to Pranjal Marani. Now winners from class first B are: the first prize goes to Ayan Daya. The second prize goes to Purna Dhurve. And the third prize goes to Sanvi Patel. Now winners name from class second A are: the first name is Vidya Madhuraj. The second winner is Aditya Varman. In the third rank, there are two students. The first one is Selin Yadav and second is Prince Kushra. Now winners name from class 2B are: the first name is Bhavya Bise. The second winner is Parth Koram. The third winner is Arpita Dhumkedi. Now the name of winners from class 3rd A are: the first prize goes to Poonam Parasti. Second prize goes to Yasmin Marco. The third prize goes to Per Jen. Winners name from class 3rd section B are: the first name is Neha Durve. The second winner is Akansha Marani. The third winner is Preeti Marani. Now winners name from class 4th section A are: the first winner is Hitank Jain. The second winner is Rajveer Jain. The third winner is Alamya Singh. Now winners name from class 4th section B are: the first winner is Prasnita Marco, and the second winner is Aishwarya Upavanchi. The third winner is Krish Agrawal. And winner names from class 5th section E are: the first winner is Pranjal Vishwakarma, and the second winner is Atharva Vishwakarma. The third winner is Nidhi Singh Asaya. And the winners name from class 5th section B are: the first prize goes to Sarthak Singh, and the second prize goes to Avani Jain. The third prize goes to Amol Kurri. Now I am going to announce the name of winner from class 6 section A. The first prize goes to Saiful Khan. The second prize goes to Dhanraj Naik, and the third prize goes to Rudra Pratap Singh Thakur. Winners name from class 6 section B are: the first winner name is Mahi Sonpali. The second winner name is Naman Uike, and the third winner is Aradhya Jain. Now winners from class 7th section A are: first winner is Vibhuti Soni. The second winner is Janvi Fulbari. The third winner is Chaitanya Jain. Now winners from class 7 section B are: first winner is Aryan Agrawal. The second winner is Bhumi Awadhya. The third winner is Lakshmi Keshwani. Now winners from class 8 section A are: first one is Maitri Jain. The second winner is Omesh Varman. The third winner is Ajpreet. Now winners from class 8 section B are: the first winner is Ananya Rajak. The second winner is Arifa Ali. The third winner is Anuja Awadhya. Now winners from class 9 section E are: the first winner is Prarthana Tamrekar. The second winner is Shubhi Mishra. And the third winner is Aditi Saluja. Now winners named from class 9 section B are: the first winner is Mayank Marami. The second winner is Pragati Marko. The third winner is Prithvi Raj Singh. Now winners from class 10 section A are: the first winner is Pratibha Dhurve. The second winner is Vanshika Chaurasia. The third winner is Anupama Bachche. And winners named from class 10 section B are: Shajal Dikshit. The second winner is Sneha Agarwal. And the third winner is Arpita Chakravarti. Winners named from class 11th are: the first winner name is Nadeshwari Saraya. And the second winner is Harshita Mishra. And in third position, here are two students' names. The first is Shristi Suri and the second one is Seema Yadav. Now I am going to announce another competition, that was fancy dress competition. So I am going to announce the results, announce the winner's name according to the classes. So winners name from class 1st section A are: first winner is Kanishka Chaudhary. Second winner is Priyanshi Barve. The third winner is Stuti Choksi. And the winner names from class 4th section B are: the first winner is Ayan Daya. The second winner is Tanay Singh Parwal. And the third winner is Ahana Nirada. Now winners named from class 2nd A are: the first winner is Prince Kushaw. And the second winner is Salim Yadav. And from class 2nd B, here is no students. Okay, now winners named from class 3rd section B. The first winner is Parv Jain. The second winner is Shubh Tamrekar. And the third winner is Vinay Thakur. Winners named from class 3rd section B are: the first winner is Akansha Marani. And the second winner is Akansha Tripathi. And the third winner name is Sonam Tega. Winners named from class 4 section A are: the first winner is Khushi Jain. And the second winner is Arham Hassan Khan. The third winner is Tanishka Keshwani. Winners named from class 4 section B are: the first winner is Aishwarya Upavanshi. The second winner is Arohi Sarathi. And the third winner is Rudraksh Sarkar. Now winners named from class 5th section A are: first winner